nice.
Oh,
Okay,
perfect.
that's very sentimental, I feel like.
Yeah.
Yes, it's sentimental, and my cursed face will always be a reminder.
I love it.
It's beautiful.
All right, guys. Well, it was fun hanging out. Thanks for
Yeah.
creating with us together.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, let's do it again sometime.
Sounds
For
good.
sure, yeah.
Thanks,
Have
guys.
a good rest of your night, guys.
Bye.
See you guys.
See ya.
Bye.
They're so nice. Zach and Wolves at my door. Please, please, please shout them out. Yeah. I mean, I don't know, fam. I think we need to keep working on this. I say we keep working on this. Let's see. After Effects is the best choice for the Adobe Suite. I personally use Premiere a ton. Good night, Tryhouse. Thank you. All good, all good. Don't run late to stuff. Be precisely on time. Thank you so much for chatting and coming by, though. I appreciate you. I will return the favor. All right. Okay, fam. Here we go. We're gonna work on this just a little bit longer here. But as far as Adobe goes, I hope you all enjoyed today's stream, and I hope that it gave you just a little bit of information and inspiration to create on your own as well. Obviously, you can be completely mediocre like me, and then you can take it to a level of how Wolves at My Door and Zach did it as well, where it's just completely next level and so good. I know we all come from very differing levels of understanding Adobe today. Some of y'all are so helpful. I, again, really appreciate all the tips and being so gracious and patient with me and helping me out. I think that it always comes from a place of curiosity. That's how you learn how to do stuff. I remember, oh man, I did not know how to edit a single thing when I started at Smosh. And with Smosh Pit Weekly, that's how I learned. Literally looking up on different websites and blogs and YouTube at the time of like, how do you do this? How do you make a cut in Premiere and whatnot? And so it was always yeah, really important to kind of figure it out. So I appreciate that. I'm living in YouTube tutorials for Photoshop now. I'm noob. Oh yeah, I mean, I think the amount of stuff you can do is so vast that in some ways we're always going to be learning, which is really cool. Exactly, you're doing a lot of complicated things. If you're starting, you're doing very good. Thank you so much, Maximo, and thank you so much for your help as well. Yeah, no, it was a ton of fun. With that said, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, links are in the chat as well as down below. In the About Me section, you can find links to $19.99 for all Creative Cloud apps if you're a student, which is huge. Big ol' discount for all the tools that you'll need. Okay, so I am going to do... I kind of want to make all of this one layer, and I don't know if that's correct. What do you guys think? If I make it all one layer, then I can cut everything out together. Thoughts? Thoughts. Thoughts. One layer. Make the... Oh, I can just make the background transparent. You're so right. Okay, so I just go to this, and it's not about cutting myself out, it's cutting the background out. Okay. Smart. Appreciate that. Who said that? Thank you, Burst. Appreciate you. Okay. Bye, eyelashes. I put you on for no apparent reason. Because they're getting cut out anyway. Okay, Pepe laugh is not about beauty. It is about human emotion. Someone said that this looks more like Pepe pain. I mean, you're not wrong, but, you know, correct me if I'm wrong, but there's always a little bit of pain behind every Pepe emotion, no? Am I wrong in thinking that? Am I projecting by saying that? Can you just be a straight line, please? Oh boy, it's so jagged. Okay.